Fatty liver disease is becoming increasingly common, and adopting the right diet can play a crucial role in managing and reducing it. Today, we'll explore the 11 best foods for a fatty liver diet and discuss effective strategies on how to reduce fatty liver. Before we begin, make sure to like and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our health-related content. Let's get started. Before we delve into the diet, let's briefly understand what fatty liver disease is. Fatty liver disease occurs when excess fat accumulates in the liver cells. This can lead to inflammation, scarring, and even liver damage over time. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease NAFLD is a common type that is not caused by excessive alcohol consumption, but due to excessive fat. Now, let's explore the foods that can help combat this condition. Number 1. Fatty fish, omega-3 fatty acids. Fatty fish, including salmon, mackerel, and trout, are not just delicious, but also offer a multitude of health benefits. These fish varieties are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, specifically icosapentaenoic acid EP and docosahexaenoic acid DHA. These essential fats play a crucial role in maintaining overall health, with specific advantages for liver health. When selecting fatty fish, opt for sustainable and low-mercury options. Fish like wild-caught salmon and smaller species, such as sardines, are excellent choices. Paying attention to the source ensures you reap the benefits without potential risks associated with high mercury content. By regularly incorporating fatty fish into your diet, you not only savor the delicious flavors, but also provide your liver with essential nutrients and support. Whether grilled, baked, or included in a variety of recipes, these omega-3 rich fish can be a cornerstone of your liver-friendly dietary choices. Number 2. Green leafy vegetables, antioxidants. Vegetables, particularly those rich in antioxidants like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard, play a crucial role in supporting liver health. The abundance of antioxidants in these greens offers a range of benefits, with protective effects against oxidative stress and inflammation, key factors in maintaining a healthy liver. Incorporating spinach, kale, and Swiss chard into your meals is easy and versatile. Blend these greens with fruits for a nutrient-packed smoothie, or enjoy them in a salad, or toss them in for a refreshing and crunchy texture. You can also add them to stir fries for a nutrient boost. Number 3. Olive oil, monounsaturated fats. Making a simple swap in your dietary fat choices can have a profound impact on your liver health. Saturated fats, often found in red meat, full-fat dairy products, and certain oils, have been associated with an increased risk of fatty liver disease. These fats can contribute to elevated levels of low-density lipoprotein LDL cholesterol, which may lead to liver inflammation and fat buildup. Making a conscious effort to reduce saturated fat intake is a positive step toward liver health. By replacing saturated fats with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, specifically found in olive oil, you provide your liver with essential support, promoting improved function and reducing fat accumulation. Number 4. Walnuts, rich in vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids. Walnuts are a great source of vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acids. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that may help protect the liver from damage, while omega-3s contribute to reducing inflammation. Snack on a handful of walnuts or add them to your meals. Sprinkle chopped walnuts over your morning yogurt or Greek yogurt. Add a drizzle of honey for sweetness and enjoy a nutritious and satisfying breakfast. You can also blend into smoothies by simply tossing a handful of walnuts into your favorite smoothie for added crunch and a boost of omega-3 fatty acids. They pair well with fruits like berries and bananas. Number 5. Garlic, detoxifying properties. Garlic contains allicin, a compound with detoxifying properties that may support liver health. It also has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects. Incorporate fresh garlic into your dishes or take it as a supplement after consulting with your healthcare provider. For the maximum potential benefits, consume raw garlic by adding minced or crushed garlic to salads, dips, or spreads. Allow it to sit for a few minutes before consuming to activate allicin. Number 6. Green tea catechins. Green tea is rich in catechins, which have antioxidant properties. Studies suggest that the consumption of green tea may contribute to the reduction of fat deposits in the liver. This is particularly relevant for individuals dealing with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease NAFLD, where excessive fat accumulates in the liver. Enjoy a cup of green tea as a healthy beverage option. Number 7. Berries, fiber and antioxidants. Berries like blueberries and strawberries are not only delicious, but also rich in fiber and antioxidants. Fiber aids in digestion, while antioxidants combat oxidative stress. Include a variety of berries in your diet to reap these benefits. The polyphenols found in berries have been linked to liver protection. These compounds may play a role in reducing inflammation and supporting the liver's natural detoxification processes. Layer berries with Greek yogurt and granola for a delicious and nutritious breakfast parfait. The combination provides protein, probiotics, and fiber to kickstart your day. Number 8. Avocados. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, similar to those found in olive oil. They also contain glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that supports liver detoxification processes. Select avocados that yield slightly to gentle pressure. To ripen avocados at home, place them in a paper bag with a banana or apple to speed up the process. Number 9. Beets. Betaine, a compound found in beets, has been linked to liver health. It supports liver function by promoting the flow of bile, aiding in fat metabolism, and reducing the risk of fatty liver disease. Including beets in your diet provides a natural source of betaine to support your liver. Moreover, beets are rich in nitrates, which the body can convert into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide plays a role in dilating blood vessels, improving blood flow, and reducing blood pressure. Enhanced blood flow can positively impact liver function and overall cardiovascular health. Number 10. Turmeric. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin, the key bioactive compound in turmeric, has been extensively studied for its potential protective effects on the liver. It is believed to have anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-fibrotic properties, making it a valuable addition to a liver-friendly diet. Chronic inflammation is a common factor in liver diseases. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory effects may help alleviate inflammation within the liver, supporting overall liver health. Including turmeric in your diet can be particularly beneficial for individuals with conditions like fatty liver disease. Now that we've discussed the best foods for a fatty liver diet, let's explore some effective strategies to reduce fatty liver. We have 6 effective strategies for you. Strategy 1. Maintain a healthy weight. Excess weight, especially around the abdominal area, is a significant risk factor for fatty liver disease. Adopting a healthy eating plan and engaging in regular physical activity can help you achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Strategy 2. Limit added sugars and refined carbs. High consumption of added sugars and refined carbohydrates is linked to fatty liver disease. Reduce your intake of sugary beverages, candies, and processed foods. Opt for whole grains and complex carbohydrates instead. Strategy 3. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity plays a crucial role in reducing liver fat. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week. This can include activities like brisk walking, jogging, or cycling. Strategy 4. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is essential for overall health, including liver health. Water helps flush toxins from the body and supports digestion. Aim to drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day. Strategy 5. Limit alcohol intake. While this video primarily focuses on non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, it's important to note that excessive alcohol consumption can also contribute to liver damage. If you drink alcohol, do so in moderation. Strategy 6. Consider Mediterranean or DASH diet. Both the Mediterranean and DASH dietary approaches to stop hypertension diets have been associated with improved liver health. These diets emphasize whole foods, lean proteins, and healthy fats. In conclusion, adopting a well-balanced fatty liver diet can significantly contribute to managing and reducing fatty liver disease. Incorporate these best foods that we discussed and follow the strategies to support overall liver health. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more health-related content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.